Hi everyone, I'm Shenoah, president and founder of Texas REIAs, Texas's largest association of real estate investors. We get together every single month to talk about real estate investing, share tribal knowledge, share deals, share funding, do a little bit of coaching and mentoring along the way as well for those of you guys who are looking for a little bit more hand-holding. I'd love to show you a little bit more about what we do as part of Texas REIAs. You can head on over to texasstarterkit.com and we'll work on your personalized blueprint for you. I'll tell you, I've been investing since 2003, and in that time period, I have not had to take a paycheck from anyone else, nor have I had to update my resume. My resume at this point is in some version of DOS that even the techiest of the techie people out there couldn't resurrect that thing, nor would I want you to, because I love what I do in real estate, and I love what I do with the real estate investing. And I also have a passion for helping others along the way, showing them how to change their lives through investing. For me personally, real estate investing has made me financially free, financially secure. It has given me the income and the wealth that I need to feel comfortable and the lifestyle that I love to feel comfortable as a person with my family and feel very secure as a real estate investor. Love to show you a little bit about behind the scenes about what we've done in our own investing. For me, I invest with my husband, and he and I have been doing deals together since 2003. We also help other members as part of the Real Estate Investor Association. And I'll tell you, if it were not for that first investor association that I walked into all of those years ago, this one that I've grown into Texas REIAs, I would not be where I am today as a real estate investor. It was there that I got the contacts, the contracts, and the contractors in order to build my business, in order to get started, in order to feel confident when it comes to investing in real estate. And what we do now today as part of Texas REIAs is we're still getting together every month in the major markets throughout Texas. That's Austin, Houston, Dallas and Fort Worth, and San Antonio. Every month we get together, we share that tribal knowledge that is so critical to success as a real estate investor. They say if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And you'd want to go with a tribe of people who are local, ethical, educated real estate investors. You really need those local boots on the ground in order to be successful. And part of what we do at Texas REIAs is we help the members of the association with their own blueprint. So we'll help you build out your blueprint. We'll ask you a couple of questions when you head on over to texasstarterkit.com. We've got a couple of questions to figure out where are you right now and what are your goals in the future. We've got a great ability to be able to figure out and weave that plan from where you are today to where you want to go. We have a lot of experience with that because we have taught over 87,000 real estate investors as part of our association. And for us, again, if it were not for that first local association that we walked into, what we've grown today into Texas REIAs, we would not be where we are today. It was there that I got that hand up to be able to help me in my business. And because of that hand up, I am giving it back, paying it forward to help the new members as you guys join us as part of Texas REIAs. So if you head on over to texasstarterkit.com, we'll not only build your personalized blueprint based on, again, your past, where you are right now, and where you ultimately want to go, what resources you have available to you in terms of time and in terms of money to invest in your business. We'll also be able to open up and share with you some specialized training that we have. Now, most people join us at Texas REIAs. We meet every single week and we do a presentation, we give a market update, but what people find is just 2 or 3 hours with us is not exactly enough to really build out your business and to really help you with your plan. So what we've done is we've created a 3-day training, a 3-day workshop where we literally workshop your business. We go through all of the things that you need to do in your business, from the marketing to understanding the strategies to understanding exactly what to say for the real estate investor, meaning the exact words that you need to have and the exact ways to overcome objections when you are negotiating to purchase a house. We also talk about the analysis and due diligence, how you need to make sure to craft those offers to make sure you make offers that make sense and offers that make money. We'll also talk about the funding for your deals, all of the different ways to fund it, and then what we call the operations side of your business. how to go from swinging a hammer in your own business to letting someone else swing that hammer for you so you can work more in your business or work more on your business instead of in your business. So give us 3 days. Head on over to texasstarterkit.com right now. Go ahead and get registered. Give us 3 days and we will build out your plan, and we will give you the education that you need to feel comfortable, to feel confident as a real estate investor. We also at Texas Starter Kit give several hours of free training to you guys so that you can have that solid foundation from with which you can grow and go and grow in your business. So love to be part of your team, love for you to join our tribe at Texas REIAs, and love to see you at our next workshop. So go ahead and get signed up at texasstarterkit.com, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for joining us.